What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Unidentified Funko Collector, and today we have Funko Shop unboxing. We ended up getting a bunch of stuff from the Funko Shop, and it has finally came. So we're gonna unbox it for you guys. And we have two boxes here, one bigger box, and then kind of a longer, small box, I guess. But yeah, do that. Have all the wrapping paper here. And these are three 10-inch figures. First we'll pull out the Khonshu statue from Moon Knight. It is very cool. It's kind of hard to see because of the reflection from the camera, but the 10-inch Khonshu statue, very cool. And then we also have two of the brand new Darth Vader 10-inch lights up Funko exclusive. And I do already have the other version of this same figure, the normal size version. Oh, I hate these boxes so much. I'm afraid I'm gonna rip them. It makes me nervous. Probably not. Ugh.
Maybe you're not taking it out.
Yeah.
You know what? You can take mine out. So just take one of them out, because I'm going to have mine out of the box. So whichever one you want to take out, take it out, because that'll be mine.
Okay.
Let's see it out of the box. Careful, here you want the knife.
Oh, I got it. Alright. So it's not really secured in there. So the first Jedi/Sith 10-inch is Darth Vader, and he lights up. And let me see if I can find. There's usually a button, isn't there? Maybe not.
It says light and sound.
Lights and sound.
Tap bobblehead to activate lights and sound. And he's broken. Isn't that dynamite?
I don't know if he's broken.
Oh,
probably
you
just
pull that
doesn't-
out.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Oh, there you go.
Shut the light off here. Do it again.
And it's very cool. The brand new lights and sound 10-inch Darth Vader. Like I said, I do have the normal version, so this will be nice to add to that collection. And then we also have one more box for you guys from the Funko Shop once again. Of course, we have this wrapping in here.
those bubble wrap and stuff, don't complain.
Yeah.
They're taking better care of the stuff.
That's good. They used to not do this at all. But anyways, I have showed this off before already. But this is the goat boat from Thor: Love and Thunder. If you guys have watched my shorts, did already post one on the goat boat from Thor: Love and Thunder, obviously, and it is very cool. Has the two goats on the front of it. It's just too bad they didn't have all the other figures like they did in the movie on there, but that would have been a lot. But still very cool regardless. And then for the last thing, we have another Black Panther die cast. And we did already get the chase, fortunately, so this one hopefully will be the common. This out of the box for you guys. You guys can see here first. Make sure we got the common this time. Hopefully. And it is the common.
Yeah, he's not locked in.
It is backwards. Not locked in like the chase was, unfortunately, but still was freezing. It is cold.
Oh, it's been in the UPS truck.
Mm-hmm. But this is the common Black Panther die cast. Very cool. Put that off to the side. But anyways, that was it for today's unboxing. And I hope you guys did enjoy this short little Funko Shop unboxing for you guys of our figures that we got for Christmas and for our own collections. And anyways, again, I hope you guys did enjoy. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Love you 3000. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.